Welcome back to Brain Beats. Let's talk about something we all know and love, breakfast. But not just any breakfast, the classic American breakfast. Bacon, eggs, biscuits, sausage, coffee, and orange juice. How did these foods become staples, and why do we stick to them like clockwork every morning? It all starts in the late 1800s when industrialization changed how we lived and ate. People moved from farms to factories, needing quick, high-energy meals. Enter breakfast. Farmers traditionally ate hearty meals of eggs, pork, and bread, which became the template for the American breakfast. Then there's the marketing genius of Edward Bernays in the 1920s. The so-called father of public relations convinced Americans that bacon and eggs were the perfect start to the day, launching breakfast into cultural stardom. Let's not forget coffee and orange juice. Coffee surged in popularity thanks to soldiers in World War II, and Florida's citrus industry pushed OJ as the ultimate health drink. Together, these foods created the breakfast we know today. But what did people eat before this? Colonial breakfasts included porridge, corn cakes, and cider. And what about the future? Well, today's breakfast trends include everything from avocado toast to green smoothies, and don't even get us started on TikTok fads like whipped coffee. So will bacon and eggs survive the next century? Who knows? But for now, it's safe to say breakfast remains the most iconic and delicious meal of the day. Stay curious, stay inspired, and enjoy your breakfast with Brain Beats.